Episode 56, BQ. Continuation of article about Swedish study linking PM 2.5 and long COVID. Since ambient air pollution is a modifiable risk factor through national or regional public health regulations as well as individual interventions, our results support the broad public health benefits of continuous efforts to reduce ambient air pollution levels. Asia. Bangladesh, Dhaka. Rosep view. Dhaka's brick kilns use coal and wood to fire bricks from clay. The second highest concentration of PM 2.5 levels is found near brick kilns, fueled by wood burning, in Greater Dhaka, which is 136% above the WHO Air Quality Guidelines, AQG. In Dhaka, Bangladesh, a child is born underweight, as are thousands of babies, because of air pollution. A World Bank March 2023 study said Bangladesh air pollution accounts for 20% of all premature deaths. Air pollution adversely affects expectant women in Bangladesh. Anadolu Agency. The fine particulate matter, PM 2.5, at these sites is on average 150% higher than the WHO Air Quality Guidelines, AQG. Air pollution adversely affects expectant women in Bangladesh. Air pollution causes multiple health problems for women in Dhaka, most serious of which are underweight birth, premature birth, and high newborn mortality. March 30, 2023. Bangladesh brick kilns toxic smog, December 2019. Edited by Rosep for brevity and clarity. Her son was born underweight, as were thousands of other babies in Dhaka, Bangladesh's capital, due to one reason, air pollution. My doctor was always concerned about my healthy breathing during the pregnancy because Dhaka air is unhealthy, the mother said. Bangladesh air pollution accounts for 20% of all premature deaths in the country, according to the World Bank's latest report released on Tuesday. The World Bank stated in its previous report published in December last year that the second highest concentration of PM 2.5 levels is found near brick kilns in Greater Dhaka, which is 136% above the WHO Air Quality Guidelines, AQG, it added. Air pollution causes multiple health problems for city residents, the most serious of which are underweight birth, premature birth, and high newborn mortality. Polluted air, or the presence of particles in the air, reduces the human capacity to inhale oxygen. If pregnant mothers do not get enough oxygen, it directly affects the babies. According to a gynecologist, breathing unhealthy air or getting less oxygen causes metabolic disorders, hypertension, and reduces the woman's fertility and ability to give birth to healthy babies. Thailand. Rosep view. Burning of farmlands, also known as agricultural burning, is the cause of most forest fires in Thailand. This is human-caused, anthropogenic air pollution, as is residential wood burning in other parts of the world. Raging forest fires in northern Thailand are threatening to worsen the country's air pollution, which has sent nearly 2 million people to hospitals with respiratory illnesses since the beginning of the year. The Thai Prime Minister has directed lawmakers to go after perpetrators of forest fires, and there are laws in place curtailing agricultural burning. But the problem is most of these restrictions are ignored. For farmers, burning their plot is often the easiest and cheapest method to clear land. The forest fires affect air quality in Thailand, Myanmar, and Laos, in what is called transboundary haze. IQAir monitors the situation. Thais are urged to wear respirators when outside. Thai forest fires worsen pollution that's left 2 million ill, the Japan Times. The Japan Times. Prime Minister Prayuth Chan-o-cha has ordered urgent steps to put out forest, as PM 2.5 in some areas passed the threshold into a hazardous zone. Excerpts edited by Rosep for brevity and clarity. Thai forest fires worsen pollution that's left 2 million ill. A forest fire northeast of Bangkok on March 31, 2023. Raging forest fires in northern Thailand are threatening to worsen the country's air pollution, which has sent nearly 2 million people to hospitals with respiratory illnesses since the beginning of the year. The Thai Prime Minister on Thursday ordered urgent steps to put out forest fires in Nakhon Nayok province to the east of Bangkok and those in the country's northern region, including popular tourist destination Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai, according to a Thai government spokesman. Firefighters and other officials have been deployed to monitor the affected areas, as burning of farmlands and illegal foraging occur during this time of the year. Several wildfires are also reported from protected forests in Thailand's north, with several hotspots across the borders in neighboring Myanmar and Laos, a satellite heat map by a Thai space agency showed. The wildfires are the latest cause for the worsening air quality in Thailand that's pushed levels of particulate dust particles known as PM 2.5 in some areas past the threshold into a hazardous zone. Bangkok and other Thai cities have grappled with poor air quality in recent years, with pollution tending to get worse in the dry season around December to February due largely to agricultural burning in Thailand and neighboring countries, and vehicular emission. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations was urged on to take steps to tackle the transboundary haze situation that stems mainly from hotspots across the region. Chiang Mai was ranked as the world's most polluted city by air quality monitor IQAir, with a very unhealthy PM 2.5 concentration reading. Its neighboring province Chiang Rai had a hazardous reading for most of the last 7 days, IQAir data showed. 8 provinces in Thailand's north were being monitored for dangerous levels of air pollution, which is expected to last until early April and normalize in May. Patients with air pollution-related diseases in Thai hospitals have spiked to more than 1.73 million between January 1st and March 19th this year. Thais are urged to stay indoors as much as possible or wear respirators when outside, he said. Thailand's extreme air pollution. I feel sorry for my daughter, BBC News. BBC. Exposure to PM 2.5 dust can cause burning and itching in the eyes and skin, as well as coughing and chest tightness. These symptoms can be amplified. Thailand's extreme air pollution. I feel sorry for my daughter. March 30th, 2023. For the past few weeks, a Thai father has painstakingly explained to his 4-year-old daughter that the yellow cloud they see outside their window, which has tickled her imagination, is actually a danger to her health. It's a scare that has gripped northern Thailand, where millions of people are currently finding it harder to breathe. Widespread farm burning and forest fires have created a smog that's even thicker than usual, which is choking communities and exposing them to respiratory disease. In the tourist-favored Chiang Rai province, and even the capital Bangkok, people have been on edge, checking the air quality levels every day. I feel very sorry for my daughter. As a child she doesn't know. She thinks that it's natural fog. But the truth is a poisonous mist. The girl is under strict orders to stay at home, but even indoors and with an air purifier whirring away, the air quality is compromised. Drone footage captures thick smog choking Chiang Rai. At a Thailand hospital, a pediatrician fears for newborns who are exposed to the air pollution. Babies can't wear face masks, and even with a purifier machine, the air in the nursery can be hazardous. It's sad, newborn children have to encounter pollution like this. Their lungs are just starting to work. Thailand's air pollution is an issue each year in the dry season, which typically runs from November to March, mainly due to seasonal burning from farmers clearing their sugarcane and rice fields. But the smog has been particularly bad this year. In the first 9 weeks of the year, more than 1.3 million people had already suffered air pollution-related diseases. Nearly 200,000 of these cases were reported in the first week of March when the haze had started to worsen. The levels of the hazardous PM 2.5 particles have also soared. PM 1.5 are particulates small enough to be breathed into lungs and to even enter bloodstreams. Exposure to PM 2.5 dust can cause burning and itching in the eyes and skin, as well as coughing and chest tightness. These symptoms can be amplified for those who have pre-existing heart or lung conditions. Fire trucks were deployed to blast water into the air to clear the dust.